my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video which you guys have highly requested, which is a Roblox video. Now, before I get into the video, I would like to say what Roblox is for all those people that do not play Roblox and do not know what you do in it, because I'm going to be explaining it right now. So what it is, it's basically one game, and there's literally like so much games in there that you're also going to click on the app, and that there's so much games, so you basically just type some games in and you can play them. And basically what you can do, there's some games you have to pay for Robux. Now if you don't know what Robux is, now Robux is actually quite expensive. It depends how much you really get, but what you do is Robux is where you can actually buy stuff and you have to spend it, and you also got to give like 25 away to buy, like, to play the other games, because some you got to pay for. But what you can do is that you can build houses, and it's also an online game where you can make friends, you can chat to people, you can do basically whatever you want. It's really fun and I absolutely love this game. And if you guys know, well, you guys probably know, if you haven't, go check this video out, which I did do a house tour, and it was like I did a couple of months ago, and now my house was this big, and now I made it to this big, upgraded, and I am absolutely loving this house. So guys, as you can see, there is a new update of my house. If you've seen my old house, this is way different, and we're also gonna make our way to the garage. So guys, here's my garage. As you can see, it is simple but posh, and you guys gonna see all of my vehicles. So guys, as you can see, I got a car, I got a quad bike, and I got a motorbike, and I'm going to be driving them out one at a time. So guys, as you can see, here's my car, so I'm gonna do a little turn so you guys can have a good look at it. So guys, as you can see, here's my quad bike. It's super loud, but it's the one I really like. So guys, this is the last vehicle which I own, and it is a motorbike, and it's really fast, and it's pink and black. So guys, that's it of the garage. Now let's go to the actual house in the inside. So guys, here's my walkway, as you can see, and this is what you got to walk over to get to my door. And now let's get inside. So guys, I'm going to be doing a little overview, and then I'm going to be explaining bit by bit along. So guys, as you can see, I've got an oak door, and you have a nice view as well. And this is like a breakfast room if your friends come over. So guys, as you can see, I got a very modern kitchen, and this is where I obviously cook food and just have some me time eating my delicious food. So guys, here is me making some food. So I'm gonna get some coffee, and I'm gonna be making some other stuff, and then I will eat. Yum, the cake is delicious. Well, it looks like I'm really enjoying that cake. So here's a quick overview of the kitchen, and now we're going to move on. So guys, here is my other room. Now it's similar to the breakfast room, but over here is just where you have dinner. So guys, we're now going to be moving on to my living room, and this is where I'm also going to sit down, and I love to relax with my friends watching TV. So guys, this is one of my favorite shows. So guys, as you can see, my house is really clean and I love keeping it clean, and I got a nice view as well. So guys, here is a little overview of my living room, and now we're going to move upstairs. So guys, I got two stairs you can go up to, either way, left or right, and I got it so you don't have to keep waiting for people to go upstairs, and that's how you don't have to keep pushing, but it looks really posh as well. So guys, I'm going to do a little overview from upstairs, and it looks like a hotel, but I really like it because it looks like really good and posh. So guys, in the first room we have the first bathroom with it, which it has a corner bathtub, 2 sinks, and a shower and a toilet. Don't forget to wash your hands. So guys, here is the second bathroom, and I do not like sharing, so this is the guest bathroom. So guys, crossing the corridor, you can see this is my first bedroom, and it has a bookshelf, it has a closet, it has lamp, and it also has a bed and a computer, and right now I'm reading a book, as you can see. So guys, here where I love to chill and read books and also play my favorite games. As you can see, I'm now in my bed, nice and cozy. So guys, that's it for this room, and now I'm going to go to a room which it looks like a theatre, but it's not really a theatre, but just where I love hanging out with my friends upstairs watching TV. So guys, as you can see, this is a room that looks like a cinema. Well, not really, but like, you know, it's like with couch with a cinema, but it's not really that. Just like I love to spend time with my family and my friends and my cousins and watching TV here. So guys, over here I've got my 3 favorite channels that we love to watch. So guys, you know downstairs has a beautiful view, and now we have a lovely beautiful view upstairs. So guys, here is my last room, which is another bedroom that I sometimes use, because my other one is sometimes for my friends, and as you can see, it's pretty much the same, just like different wallpaper, and some things are quite different. So guys, obviously I need to have a TV, because without a TV I'd be very bored. And also you guys, I do get loads of bills, and my bills are like 2,000, so we've got to deal with that. So guys, today is my day off as work, yes. So that's why I'm on the computer, but what I do work is at a pizza delivery, because I'm a higher level and I can get money way faster for my bills. So guys, that's all for upstairs. So I'm gonna go downstairs and do a little overview again. So here is a little bit of downstairs again. So guys, as you can see, this is quite of a big house. I absolutely love it, and it's like on the countryside, which makes it even more better and special. And also guys, comment down below in this video what's your favorite room or what's your favorite part of this house. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, but before I end this video, I would like to say that I am doing a giveaway, and when I do get to 1,500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, and I'm going to be giving out stuff to you guys, obviously, and thank you so much for supporting me. But however, you guys, what I would like to say that is comment on this video if you'd like me to do more Roblox video, Musa Planet videos, whichever one has the highest comments, I will do that. But if you want to do a Roblox one, but Musa Planet has the most ones, don't worry, because I will do it in the next video. But however, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.